Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. So for this you have to go to the Google Drive and then you have to search for the picture that you would like to transfer to Google Photos. So for example, I would like to transfer these two photos in my Google Photos. So for this what I need to do is click on one image, then you have to click on Ctrl plus A to select all the pictures that you would like to transfer to Google Photos. Then you have to click on the download option from here. Then here you have to wait couple of seconds because they are going to transfer it in the zipping file, and make sure that the file you are currently downloading is in the zip file. And here you can see my zip file is already downloaded. Then you have to click on it, then you have to right click on the app, then you have to click on the extract all, then you have to click on the browse, then you have to choose a file that you would like to extract it. I am choosing the desktop option from here, and then I will click on the extract. After that you have to wait couple of seconds here, then you have to close it, and then you have to go to the Google Photos. You have to go to the search engine of Google, then you have to click on the square option, then you have to go to the Google Photos option from here by clicking on the photos, and it will take couple of seconds to get loaded according to your internet connection. Then you have to click on the plus icon from here, then you can choose the import photos, and here you can see the photos that I have previously extracted. Then you have to select both of them, then you have to click on the open. After that you have to wait couple of seconds here. Here you can see that the photos are uploading here. Here you can see that prepare to backup 2 items, and that's how you can easily upload the photos in your Google Photos from Google Drive. So thank you very much for watching this video.